Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Max Euwe and Richard Reti. This is a game from Euwe-Reti match that was played in Amsterdam in 1920. Max Euwe had white pieces and he started with e4. Richard Reti played e5, knight to f3, knight to c6, bishop to c4, the Italian game, maybe, knight to f6, d4, switching to Scotch game. E takes on d4, castling, so we have the Scotch gambit. Knight takes on e4, Reti goes greedy. Sometimes it can be risky. Can Euwe punish this play? Rook to e1, pinning the knight, d5, defending and attacking. White to move. Bishop takes on d5, sacrificing the bishop in order to make the most of black's uncastled king. Queen takes on d5, knight to c3, attacking the queen and the knight on e4. Queen to a5. If d takes on c3, queen takes on d5. So we have queen to a5. Knight takes on d4. Knight takes on d4. Queen takes on d4. f5, hanging by the thread. Bishop to g5. Black is better materially, but white is so much ahead in the development. Can black survive? Black to move. What would you do in this position if you had black pieces? Exchange pieces, especially queen if you can. Queen to d8. Exchanging queens doesn't work for white, does it? And after knight takes, f takes, rook takes check, king to f7. Black is a piece up. Back to our game. Queen to d8 check, king to f7. Knight takes on e4, f takes on e4. Rook from a to d1. White army is fully mobilized, and black king looks very unsafe. Or maybe this is just an illusion. What do you think? Is black king safe or not? In this position, Richard Reti played this very nice move. Bishop to d6, sacrificing the rook, or perhaps should we say sacrificing the exchange. White move, and white must be very careful. Let's play a random move here. If a3, then bishop to h3, then black is winning. If black wants to save his queen, he loses his king. Back to our game. We have f4. Black to move, to take the pawn or not. Richard Reti played queen to h4. Taking the pawn has this tiny downside. Losing the queen. Back to our game. So we have queen to h4. Rook takes on e4. If g3, then bishop to c5 check. And after king to h1, queen to h5, and black is winning. Back to our game. Rook takes on e4. Black to move. What now? How would you continue in this position if you had black pieces? Richard Reti played this awesome move. Bishop to h3. Discovered attack on the queen. Queen takes rook. Bishop to c5 check. King to h1. If rook from e to d4, then bishop takes on d4, and if rook takes on d4, queen to e1 checkmate. And what else? If king to h1, then bishop takes on g2 check. King takes bishop, queen to f2 check, king to h3, queen to f3 check, king to h6, and there is checkmate in one. And the move is bishop to f6 checkmate. Back to our game. King to h1. Black to move. How would you continue now? Please pause and find the best move for black. Did you pause? What did you find? Did you find this brilliant bishop sacrifice? Bishop takes on g2 check. King takes bishop, black to move. Black played a move and white resigned. And the move is queen to g4. Max resigned in view of this continuation. King to h1, queen to f3, checkmate. And if king goes to f1, then queen to f3 check, and after king to e1, queen to f2 check. Black queen and black bishop against white queen and two white rooks. What a game, and what a brilliant counter-attack from Richard Reti. What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.